That choppity chop. Getting ready to do an oil change on it, let it warm up on the ramps. Got it scotched. Don't fret. We even got it double scotched. Put it back on the tire. Hopefully you can see. Anyways, Fox Body Mustang oil pan life, yo. If you know, you know. Not just one, but two oil plugs. That one's leaking because I already got it loose, but the pan's dry. Dry as a bone. I put this engine together, I sealed it up. Fresh gaskets. It's gonna be sad to see it come out. Well, it's gonna be sad to take it out, hear it come out. Anyways, next video is gonna be, I don't know, maybe me draining some oil. Maybe I get some live action. Anyways, one oil plug, and then this is the rear sump of a Fox Body Mustang oil pan. Then of course you got the one up front. I got it parked on a hill, so I don't even know if that front one's gonna drain any, but we will see. All right, here we go. An attempt at live action. I got the plug loose, so I'm just gonna loosen it a little more. Used to be able to do an oil change without getting oil on me. We'll see how good I still am. So after you get the plug loose, push in on the plug while spinning it. And pushing in on it. Nope, doesn't get no oil on me. Anyways, so much for that. Whoosh. Phone, don't you fall in that oil pan. Alright, oil is there draining. I'm gonna shut my phone down. This is pretty dangerous for my phone's life and safety.